Yes, welcome back. Congo Biz Tech, and today we are going to start to learn about Python. And today we are going to set up the environment of Python. What you need to do, what you need to understand is that Python is one of the programming language which is simple to code with it. But today, let's start to install the environment of Python. First of all, you have to download the latest version of Python installer that you can find on the Python website. Now, and today, we already have the latest Python, which is 3.8. This is latest version of Python for this year 2019. This from June. So what you need to do in order to start Python environment, when you already have this file, what you need to do is to double click or right click in a window, right click, and then here you have two options. These options start installing Python 3.8 32 bits. So select install now to Python with default setting, or choose a custom to enable a disable feature. So if you install in the install now, this means you can install in C user in your PC names, and then AppData, things like that. So if you want to install this, you have to check in your computer in C, local disk C, and then I already get the file which is Python. Or if you don't have, you just create a new folder here, right click, new folder. After that, name it a Python. After that, go back to your installing window. After that, then you have to choose now custom if you don't want to install it in a custom way. So you have to install in customize installation. Choose the location and feature. Here now, instead of installing this in C user, and now we are going to install it on our creating file that we create before in C, and then we name it Python. So that now we are going to choose custom installation. But before you choose here, you have to add Python to pass. If you don't add a pass, it means that your machine will not find the installation. In some cases, if you want to use a command prompt. So if you had here to add Python 3.8 to path, it means that your machine will now understand that you're installing the Python, and so you can use even in command prompt. So now we had here, we check it here, then we start customize installation. In this option features documentation, if you want documentation, as you see, is the important features like PIP. This is some machines will not install it, though you have to install in different. So in this we have already here, this will leave as default. So now we're going to hit the next, and then now, as you can see here, this is this is I can see here C user, your PC name, and so on. So now what you have to do is to delete those from user to up to here. Click delete or backspace it. If you delete now, it's going to C /or Python. This Python is the folder that we created before. I mean that one. So we're going to install that in this type, in this folder. So now we are going to install it. Welcome back to Uncle Tech here. I'm gonna wait a little bit when it's it's going too fast. Setup is in progress. Python for Windows. Setup progress. Installing Python 3.8 POP Bootstrap 32 bits. Oh yeah. You installing Python for Windows. Yes, so right now, as you can see here, the setup was successful, especially thanks to Mike or that's things like that. So new to Python, they will ask you are new to Python. So I'll start with the online tutorial. If you connect your PC into internet, then you can click here online tutorial and documentation, so you can get the main tutorial for free. And here you can see what's the new. So for now, as we already installed it, then we are going to close the first one already in this. As you can see, after open, you can get that things so that we can get here. So in order to ensure that your Python is already working properly or improper in your machine, just go to start. After start, click the all apps. After all apps, you can see here idle Python. This is where all your coding or all your projects you will be writing in this Python. Yeah, as you can see here, let's see if it's work proper. Let's just code the simple word just to code or to write hello friend. So we just write print space bracket and sign, comma. Let's write hello friend. So what does this? After bracket, pretty enter. So this you can see here, we get hello friend. This means that Python is already in our machine. So another way to look, if you want to in command line, go also to all programs, and this you can see the model docs manual or expand here. You can get a command line. If you want to code in command line, just simple, you just print bracket, just print hello friend. Yes, when we hit enter, you can see here there is hello friend. Alright, I hope you enjoy the video, so please subscribe down there in order to get the main from the what is a Python here. In next tutorial, we are going to start the coding into Python. Keep subscribing.